风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice 啊，我们最近都在聊运动，对不对？我最近迷上游泳啊。
是哦，我也一直很想学游泳。
真的应该学下，因为现在有很多那种温水游泳池啊，哪怕不是夏天也可以游，都
可以游泳。
对啊 ，Swimming is such a great sport. It's aerobics as well. So let's teach you some phrases related to swimming. 好，游泳怎么说？
秋水。
秋水 That's how you say swimming. 游泳是很好的有氧运动哦。Swimming is a great aerobics.
秋水係動好嘅。
秋水係動好嘅。
游泳運動。
游泳運動哦，有氧運動啊。
是
Aerobics, there you go. 有氧運動 That's what it is. 然後你說你怎麼樣？
我一直很想學游泳。
好，我相信很多人也是。來教這一句吧。I've always wanted to learn swimming.
我一直懂想。
我一直懂想。
學秋水。
學秋水。All right, let's review some of these practical phrases, including the aerobics 有氧運動。
游泳運動。
游泳運動 and then swimming 游泳。
秋水。
秋水 But if you want to learn to swim,
學秋水。
學秋水就變學游泳咯。There you have it, another round of practical Hakka here on ICRT.
是母大家。
是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.